Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. It's the Holy Week and usually kapag Holy Week, umuwi kami ng Nueva Ecija. At just so happened na saktong-sakto, our friends at UrbanTraveller Co sent me an item. This is from ALPAKA. I actually asked them if it's possible for me to check out and test and review their products. I'm a big fan of their products. They usually bring in bags that are usually available in the Philippines. At dinadala nila yan dito sa Pilipinas. And one of the products that they are finally bringing, and they finally have actually on stock, ay yung mga products ni ALPAKA. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to give you a quick unboxing of this one and give you guys a quick overview of what I can put inside this and how much it is right now in the market. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to carefully remove this from the bubble wrap, no, na hindi ko mapupunit yung mismong item. That never happened before, no? ALPAKA, they said that they're gonna have a official launch here in the Philippines. Now, at the time of the production of this video, hindi pa nila nasabi sa akin kung kailan yun, no? But since I'm a huge fan of ALPAKA, and I know some of my friends also love this brand as well, pretty sure ako, no? They'll also be very equally excited to know about what's in store for Filipino bag enthusiasts. Meron ba tawag na ganun? No? Alright, I guess this one is the Bravo Sling. Now, the Bravo Sling Max is a messenger-style sling bag from ALPAKA. This one you can use to put your stuff, your ROG Ally maybe, your MacBook Air, you can put it inside. There is, of course, some provisions for all your documents, for your passports, and everything. Now, ALPAKA improved a lot on its overall design, starting with the material, with the reversible shoulder strap, with a very convenient mechanism that I'm going to demo later. It's a very good padding, and it has now a hidden extra back pocket for smaller items and valuables. Now, according to ALPAKA, the new MacBook Pro 14-inch rather can fit in here, but I don't have that. I only have the 15-inch, which will not fit inside. It will, however, can fit a MacBook Air, definitely an ROG Ally, a couple of power banks, your passport, your cameras, some of your lens, what have you. So this is going to be a very interesting personal item bag that I am excited to bring with me this Holy Week. Okay, so now starting off with the front pocket we have right here. This is the front pocket where you can put a lot of smaller stuff. This one has a blue inner colorway. It even has here a hub keychain, which you can easily remove by simply pulling this, like so. You can put your keys right here, and you can simply put it back with this magnetic mechanism. Apart from that, you have some mesh right over here, and some other pockets where you can put some maybe business cards, coins, passports if you want to. And this one also has RFID blocking from the front compartment, so you don't need to worry about people scanning your credit cards or anything that has RFID inside. What is even interesting here is the provision of this one. This is actually a pocket for SIM cards, and it does also have a hidden SIM ejector tool inside. Very convenient. Okay. Now, this is not just simply a SIM ejector tool compartment, but this hidden here at the bottom is actually also a USB Type-A for charging purposes. That means inside you can put your power bank. For example, this Anchor power bank you can put inside the Max Sling and just connect it via Type-A rather, so that you can have a provision for charging on this side. Now, let me go over and show you the padded shoulder strap. Now, this one is a sling bag, so it's just imperative for this to have a very comfortable padded sling right here. Very good material. It has this hexagonal design to it. The cushion is very good as well, very soft. And right over here, it has a mechanism that allows you to easily remove it. and just simply return it like so. And you know it's a lock in place if it's connected like that. And you can just simply remove it should you want to. But once it is locked in, you don't need to worry about this, getting off very easily. I like this. This is one of the best things about ALPAKA. Not all ALPAKA bags have this, but this is really just perfect for my needs. Now, when I said that it has a hidden extra back pocket for smaller items, it is right over here. This is where you can put maybe coins, your passport if you want to, some money if you want, because this rests on either your back or maybe your front or maybe your side. Looking at the main compartment right here, we have the main compartment where you can very likely put a lot of stuff. You can put your tablets here, you can put your laptop maybe if it fits, and a couple of documents on both sides. And this is what I said earlier, where you can just simply connect this power bank to. I still have 100%, as you can see right there. And just simply leave it right here. And it is now waiting for me to charge something through here. Now you can just simply buy a Type A to Type C or Type A to Lightning so that you can conveniently charge your devices through this port. All right. Now, for those of you who are currently asking or probably asking right now, will my ROG Ally fit inside this part? The answer there is yes, it will. And this one, just mind you, this one still has a JSOX case on it, so it will still fit perfectly well, as you can see right there. Now, unfortunately, doing this though, that means you will not be able to put other things. Yes, you can still probably put some money in here, maybe coins, maybe your passport, but that's it. The ROG Ally will definitely occupy the rest of the front pocket of the ALPAKA Max Sling. Okay. What else can you put inside? All right, I have here the ZV-10. This is from Sony. I can just simply put this on that part of the bag, as you can see right there. It is a little snug fit already, but that's fine. I have here the ROG Air Active Cooler for my ROG Phone 8 Pro. I will still bring it with me because I have to give my ROG Phone 8 that maximum cooling feature. There you go. I have here my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm going to put it right over here. We still have space for our tablet on this side. I will not put any laptops here, but I'm thinking of putting the a ZenBook Duo. I will just check if it will fit, but for now, this should be okay. Now what else? We have another pocket here, which you can use to put some other stuff like maybe another tablet, cables, maybe batteries if you want to. Yeah, pretty spacious. And I like the fact that you still have this provision right here because more often than not, if you're going to use this as an office bag, you will likely put some documents inside this pocket. And as I've shown you earlier, we have another one right here, which is hidden. Now, yes, you can also use this. You can use this to just simply carry it with you as a, as an office briefcase if you want to, because of this portion. It is very likely that you can also use this to put on your luggages so that you can just easily bring this with you, maybe put it on the handle. And that's pretty much everything you can fit inside the ALPAKA. Again, we don't have yet a tablet here. We don't have yet the laptop here as ALPAKA conveniently said in their marketing material, but definitely I have no doubt that I can put in my iPad Pro inside, and probably even my ZenBook Duo, perhaps. Okay. Now, if you want to know more about the ALPAKA Bravo Sling Max, you can go check out the website of ALPAKA and also the website of UrbanTraveller Co for more information. Price is 8,500 at the time of the production of this quick overview video. So that's it, guys. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching this very quick video. Peace out.